Okay, so I'm going to model for you how to use the X for factoring when A is not 1. And so as normal, you would see this. And when A is a number, like this A is 4, I'm actually going to draw a horizontal line. And so the horizontal line means that my A's go there. So the 4 would go here and the 4 would go here. And then my, as normal, A times C goes on top. So that's 4 times 3. And my B goes on bottom. That's 8. So these empty spaces here are what multiplies to make 12 but adds up to 8. And so I would do 6 and 2. Doesn't matter what order, it could be 2 or 6. And they're both positive. So this is going to end up being my parentheses. But the problem is that if it can be simplified, then I need to do that. So 4 over 6 would become 2 over 3. And 4 over 2 would become 2 over 1. This is my parentheses. This 2 and this 3 make 2x plus 3. And this 2 and this 1 make 2x plus 1. And then I'm just solving negative 3 halves, negative 1 half. Okay, so then I'll do 17. Once again, A is a number. So I'm going to do my X with, A times C, and here's B. But I'm going to draw a horizontal line, and those are going to be my A's. 3, 3. Okay. A times C is 3 times negative 6. So I'm going to do negative 18. B is in the middle. That's negative 7. So I'm going to do what multiplies to make 18 and adds up to 7. 9 and 2. Negative 9 and positive 2. Once again, this becomes my parenthesis. But since it can be reduced, 3 over 9, I'm going to make it 1 over negative 3. And 3 over 2 is going to stay. So it's going to become x minus 3 right here and 3x plus 2. So x equals 3 and x equals negative 2/3. Okay, last one. A is not 1. And honestly, teaching the students this method first is really smart because you don't, if you make them used to this at the beginning with it difficult, then once there's no A or A is 1, it's so easy. So here's my formatting. A times C, B. A times C is negative 12. My A's are 2. My B is negative 1. So it multiplies to make negative 12, adds up to 1, 3, and 4. Negative 4. Okay. Here's one of my parentheses, 2x plus 3. Oh, 2 over negative 4 can be reduced. So there's my other parentheses. Okay. 2x plus 3, x minus 2. So those are my answers. And that. Okay, you guys can talk. Thank you so much for giving me a second.